Bordered by the world's seventh largest natural harbor, home to cultural landmarks, it's the heartbeat of the country. And now, with the introduction of Reggae Month, it's Kingston for February, promising to make the city capital a hotspot for local and foreign entertainment seekers.
From jungle to Rima, from Tivoli to Manchester.
For years, there's been talk about strengthening the marketing might behind Kingston's tourism presence, promoting its built-in attractions, attracting more investments for its accommodations portfolio, and accommodating more tourists within the city limits. In 2014, all throughout the second calendar month, years of planning and smaller projects are evolving into the major initiative Build Reggae Month. It's Kingston for February. The initiative capitalizes on February's established entertainment agenda that comes with the celebrations for both Black history and reggae within the month.
Most of the Reggae Month activities were already funded by the government, by the ministry. And so what we're doing now is to further fund some other events, but also, as I said, organize them so that we can get greater value and express to the persons who are seeking to come to Jamaica. For one event with plane fare and hotel room, etc. might not be sufficient, but coming for a month of events would have disseminated the plane fare and other events over a broader scale of activities.
The initiative will be a launching pad for an even bigger acknowledgement for the capital.
We want Kingston to be the cultural super state as a city, and it will contribute to our application for creative city status under UNESCO, which is in March 31st being the deadline.
Already there is much expectation.
But Chronix just hides up, so Kabaka there, rust around the island now. Hey, Janina shine and glow.
With the ministry's endorsement, a slew of events have been unveiled, structured to titillate all. From music festivals to lectures, Kingston will come alive for the 28 days. And Kingston's regular partner, St. Andrew, will not be left out of the fun.
Does celebrate reggae music both from the entertainment side but also from the education side. The University of West Indies is on board, and also you'll also have the Reggae University in the park to give information as to what reggae and where it's coming from and what it represents.
It's hard to say which of these events will be the top draw. Reggae Wednesdays, organized by the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association, JERIA, is an annual showstopper. Every year, hundreds of patrons turn out weekly for the free event to be entertained by their favorite artists. Then there's Arts in the Park. Started last year by the ministry in collaboration with international recording artist Shaggy, the second staging is scheduled to be bigger and better.
The intent of Arts in the Park was to expose our talent to the intermediaries, to the Universals, to the Sonys, to the BTs, which we carried in last year. And so therefore this year Arts in the Park will incorporate three aspects of our entertainment industry. We'll be carrying down galleries to look at some of our fine arts, and we'll be carrying down also some alternative festivals to look at our spoken word, as well as carrying down some booking agents to look at some of our singers. We find that it is easier to get success from the booking side than from the signing to contract side. So we're carrying down booking agents, 13 booking agents from outer Europe.
And for the first time in more than 50 years, a poet laureate will be named. Nominations for the 2014-2017 Poet Laureate closed last December, and the recipient of the honorary award will be announced on February 16. Past recipients of the prestigious honor have been Tom Redcom and J.E. Claire McFarlane, but no doubt the other events are gearing up to be just as interesting and entertaining.
Do you remember the days of slavery? Whoa. And I said, do you remember the days of slavery?
I feel the sun on my skin, know it's gonna be one of those days to put your mind at ease. Got the radio playing as I feel the breeze. Yo, beat, pass me out there, please. Tell me I live it so, knowing all of us. We're gonna dance all night till the sun come up.
So if you're away or at home, the ministry is inviting you to come to Kingston. There is an event for everyone, with some having no cover charge. Don't stay at home. Take along your friends and explore Reggae Month. It's Kingston for February. For more information on the ministry's initiative, you may call 920-4926-30 or click on their website mot.gov.jm.